Hi, my little ones. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend. We missed you, but we're glad you're back. Now, this Friday, Toby's going to be sharing about the college he wants to go to when he grows up and when he's ready. Now, I would love it if you could put on a shirt or a cap of the college you want to go when you grow up, because you guys are all going to go to amazing colleges, and I want to hear all about it, okay? So this Friday, in the meantime, I want you all to be star students just like Toby. Sit tall, talk big, answer and signal, and respect Miss Asensio by staying seated. Do not get up from your chair. Stay seated until this video is over. Okay, my loves? Thank you, my loves. Okay, well, today we're going to do lesson 30. What lesson? Get ready. 30, good job. We're going to start with materials. Some things are made of wood, some things are made of glass, some things are made of cloth. All name things. You tell me what material the things are made of. Listen, a shirt. What object? Get ready. A shirt. Now, listen. What material is that object made of? Get ready. Cloth. Good job. Listen. Window. What object? Get ready. A window. What material is that object made of? Get ready. Glass. Now listen. A dresser. What object? Get ready. A dresser. What material is that object made of? Get ready. Wood. Listen, a rowboat. What object? Get ready. A rowboat. Now, what material is that object made of? Get ready. Wood. Good job. Now, listen, a pencil. What object? Get ready. A pencil. Now, what material is that object made of? Get ready. Wood. Now listen, a handkerchief. What object? A handkerchief. What material is that object made of? Get ready. Cloth. Good job. Listen, a bottle. What object? Get ready. A bottle. What material is that object made of? Get ready. Glass. Listen, a jar. What object? Get ready. A jar. What material is that object made of? Get ready. Glass. Good job. Now we're going to be talking about opposites. We're going to play a word game. Everybody, think of a rabbit that is not winning. It is doing the opposite of winning. What's it doing? Get ready. Losing. Now, so a rabbit that is doing the opposite of winning is, get ready, losing. Everybody, think of a chalkboard that is the opposite of wide. What's the opposite of wide? Get ready. Narrow. So a chalkboard that is the opposite of wide is, get ready, narrow. Now everybody, think of a table that is the opposite of small. What's the opposite of small? Get ready. Big. So a table that is the opposite of small is, get ready, big. Now everybody, think of a lion that is the opposite of noisy. What's the opposite of noisy? Get ready. Quiet. So a lion that is the opposite of noisy is, get ready, quiet. Now everybody, think of a man who is the opposite of short. What's the opposite of short? Get ready. tall. Now, so a man who is the opposite of short is, get ready, tall. Good job. Let's do a celebration. Let's do the peanut butter, okay? And peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. Strawberry jam. Yum, yum, yum. Freeze. We're going to talk about today, tomorrow, and 1 week from today. I did a square around the day we are on today. So tell me the day of the week it is today. Get ready. Monday. Good job. Now tell me the day of the week it will be tomorrow. Get ready. Tuesday. Good job. Now 1 week from today it will be the same day as today. This is today. 1 week from today it will be the same day as today. What day is that? What day will it be 1 week from today? Get ready. Monday. Good job. Now once more, tell me the day of the week it is today. Today. Get ready. Monday. Now tell me the day of the week it will be tomorrow. Get ready. Tuesday. Now, tell me tomorrow's date. Tell me tomorrow's date. Get ready. Tuesday, May 12, 2020. Good job. Now tell me the date. It will be 1 week from today. This is today. 1 week from today. We go one down. So tell me the date. It will be 1 week from today. Get ready. Monday, May 18, 2020. Good job, guys. Now, I want you to continue practicing the calendar at home with mom and dad, okay? Now, we're going to talk about classes. Everybody, tell me which class is bigger, okay? The class of birds or the class of animals? Get ready. The class of animals. Tell me how you know. Get ready. The class of animals has more kinds of things in it. Tell me which class is bigger, the class of containers or the class of bags? Get ready. The class of containers. Now tell me how you know. Get ready. The class of containers has more kinds of things in it. Now, which class is bigger? The class of food or the class of beans? Get ready. The class of foods. Now, how do you know? Get ready. The class of food has more kinds of things in it. Now, suppose we took away all the beans from the class of food. Name some food that would be left. Get ready. Chicken, mashed potatoes, green beans, hot dogs, nuggets, apples, burgers, macaroni. Oh my God, a lot of things would be left, right? So there are many kinds of things in the class of food. Now let's do another celebration. Let's do the washer. Let's get ready. And open up the washer, put the clothes in, clothes set up, and spin, 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 freeze. Now, I'm thinking of an object. You'll ask questions to figure out what object it is. Now you'll ask these questions. What class is it in? What parts does it have? Where do you find it? Everybody say all three questions. Question 1. Get ready. What class is it in? Question 2. Get ready. What parts does it have? Question 3. Get ready. Where do you find it? Ask question 1. Get ready. What class is it in? It's in the class of animals. Ask question 2. Get ready. What parts does it have? It has fins and teeth. Ask question 3. Get ready. Where do you see it? You usually find it in the ocean. I'll name some objects. You tell me if each object is one I could be thinking of. Listen, killer whale. Could I have been thinking of that object? Does it have teeth, feet, live in the ocean? Get ready. Yes, a monkey. Could I have been thinking of that object? Get ready. No. Listen, a shark. Could I have been thinking of that object? Get ready. Yes, a dog. Could I have been thinking of that object? Get ready. No. Name an object I could have been thinking of. And get ready. A whale? A shark? Good answer. A dolphin? Awesome. Yes. All of those are awesome answers. Let's do another celebration. Let's do the fast food celebration. Let's start with the M. Show me your M. Everyone get ready. And McDonald's, McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken, and a Pizza Hut, Pizza Hut. Freeze. Now everybody, let's see how well you remember the story of Clarabelle. I'll stop when I'm reading. See if you can tell me what happened next in the story, okay? Now, Clarabelle looked like the other brown and white cows on the farm, but Clarabelle was really different. She was always trying to do things that other animals did. In fact, she felt sad about not being a bird or a frog or a child. Well, one day, Clarabelle was looking at the bluebirds that were sitting on a wire that went from the barn to a large pole. Do you remember what Clarabelle wanted to do? Get ready. Sit on the wire with the bluebirds. Yes. Now, Clarabelle said, I would love to sit on the wire with those bluebirds. Some of the other cows heard Clarabelle talking to herself, and they said, don't do it, Clarabelle. Remember what happened when you tried to swim like a duck in the duck pond? What happened when she tried to swim like a duck in the pond? Get ready. All the water jumped out of the pond. Yes, you're right. Now, another cow said, when you jumped in the pond, all the water jumped out of the pond. Another cow said to Clarabelle, and what about the time you tried to crow like a rooster? How good was Clarabelle at crowing like a rooster? Get ready. Not very good. Everybody, what did the rooster say? Get ready. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Now, what did Clarabelle say? Get ready. Cock-a-doodle-moo. Ha, ha, ha. All the cows left until they had tears in their eyes. That's not very funny, Clarabelle said. And if I want to sit on the wire with those bluebirds, you can't stop me. So how did Clarabelle get on the wire? Get ready. She went into the barn and up the window by the wire. Then she tiptoed out on the wire. So Clarabelle went into the barn and up the window by the wire. While she was getting ready, all the farm animals gathered around. One goat said, "We're in for another great show by Clarabelle." And so they were. Clarabelle tiptoed out on the wire. Everybody, did the wire break when Clarabelle went out on it? Get ready. No. What did the wire do? Get ready. It bent almost to the ground. Now Clarabelle was heavier than 1,000 bluebirds, so the wire went down, lower and lower until it was almost touching the ground. How did the bluebirds feel about Clarabelle being on their wire? Get ready. Very angry, right? What kind of things did the bluebird say? Get ready. Get off our wire. Now, yes, the bluebirds were really angry. One of them said, "What are you doing, you big fat cow? You've bent our wire almost to the ground." "Yeah," another bluebird said, "this wire is for bluebirds, not brown and white cows." Meanwhile, the farm animals were laughing and howling and rolling around on the ground. "Look at that," they said, and rolled and laughed some more. Clarabelle was not happy. She said, "This wire is not as much fun as I thought it would be." Clarabelle looked back up at the barn. Everybody, did Clarabelle then tiptoe back up into the window? Get ready. No. Why not? Get ready. Because it would be too hard to go back the window. Now, how did Clarabelle decide to get off the wire? Get ready. By jumping off and landing in the haystack. Now, Clarabelle looked back up at the barn and said, "Wow, it's going to be hard to walk all the way back up there." Then Clarabelle looked down and said, "I'm close to the ground, so maybe it would be easier for me to jump off and land in that haystack." While she was trying to figure out what to do, all the bluebirds were yelling at her and saying things like, "Well, do something. Get off our wire so we can sit in peace." All right, Clarabelle said. "I'm leaving right now." And with that, she jumped off the wire. What did the wire do when Clarabelle jumped off? Get ready. Sprang way up into the air. What happened to the birds when the wire sprang up? Get ready. They were sent way up into the clouds. That's correct. Now, when Clarabelle jumped off the wire sprang way up into the air. It shot up so fast that it sent the bluebirds way up into the clouds, leaving blue tail feathers fluttering this way and that way. And the farm animals almost died from laughter. "Did you see that?" a horse said as he rolled around on the ground. "Did you see those birds go flying up the clouds?" Everybody, who was the only farm animal who was not laughing? Get ready. Clarabelle. Everybody laughed, except for a bunch of bluebirds and for one brown and white cow. That cow pouted and kept saying, "It's not funny. It's not funny." But was it funny, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, it was. I wish I could have seen it. Okay, so I want you to open your workbook to lesson 30. This is how it should look like. Now you're going to write your name and your goal. What's your goal? Get ready. Get to first grade. Good job. Now I'm thinking of one of the pictures. It's either a pencil, a ruler, a branch, or a rake. You'll ask questions to find out which object I'm thinking of. Everybody, ask a question about what material it is made of. Get ready. What material is it made of? Everybody, ask a question about where you find it. Get ready. Where do you find it? Now, everybody, ask a question about what do you use it for? Get ready. What do you use it for? Now, ask those questions again, and I'm going to give you the answer. Everybody, ask a question about what material it is made of. Get ready. What material is it made of? Here's the answer. It's made of wood, metal, or plastic. What materials is it made of? Get ready. Wood, metal, or plastic. Look at the pictures. Now, everybody, ask the question about where you find it. Get ready. Where do you find it? Here's the answer. You could find it in a desk. Where could you find it? Get ready. In a desk. Keep looking at your pictures. Which object is it? Think. Now listen, everybody, ask the question about what do you use it for? Get ready. What do you use it for? Here's the answer. To measure things. What is it used for? Get ready. To measure things. I want you to get your yellow colors up at 3, 2, 1. Now, make a yellow mark on the thing I'm thinking of. Remember, it's made of plastic, wood, or metal. It is found. Yes, you could find it in a desk, and it is used to measure things. Which of the 4 is it? Make a yellow mark. Colors up. Now ready? Which object is it? Get ready. The ruler. Good job. Now, how did you know I wasn't thinking of a pencil? Get ready. Because you don't use a pencil to measure things. How did you know I wasn't thinking of a branch? Get ready. Because they're not made of plastic or metal. How did you know I wasn't thinking of a rake? Get ready. You don't see a rake on a desk, and you do not use a rake to measure things. Good job. Now, let's go to the picture at the bottom. This picture right here. Here's a coloring rule for the sailboat. Color the sail red. Red colors up at 3, 2, 1. Make a mark on the sail like that. Now, here's another coloring rule for the sailboat. Listen, color the hull blue. What's the rule? Get ready. Color the hull blue. Blue colors up at 3, 2, 1. Mark your picture. Mark it. You should have marked it like this. Now, part of a sailboat is missing. What part is missing? Get ready. The mast. Now, yes, before you color the sailboat, you're going to follow the dots with your pencil to make the mast. Here's the coloring rule for the mast. Listen, color the mast orange. What's the rule? Get ready. Color the mast orange. Get your orange colors up at 3, 2, 1. Make a mark on the mast. Now, I want you to color everything else that does not have a color rule, any color you want. Like these 3 pictures, you can color any color you want. You can color them, all those animals and the water and everything else inside, any color you want. Only those that have color rules, you mark them that, you color them that color, okay? I want you to do quality work, do amazing, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye, my little ones.